So I just got my hair done yesterday and I worked out. I did not sleep with a silk roller, so I woke up and tried to put my roller on just to see if it's gonna do anything. So let's take down my hair and see how it turned out. Okay. Okay, it kind of did something. I like a bigger, fluffier look with more volume, but I don't want to use too many bundles. So this is what we have so far. I don't know what I did here. I just put it up. As you can see, I might need to either lay down my leave out or blow it out a little bit to match a little better. But this is day 2 hair. I'm going to tie it down to see if it flattens my leave out and gets the bumps out a little bit more. If I wanted to go somewhere really quick and look cute, I would probably roll this back and do a half up, half down situation. That way I'm not too worried about my leave out not matching. I am going to just put some edge control. This is one of my favorite edge controls. It actually holds in this Houston humidity. I try not to get it too much in this area because I don't want it to curl up. So I try to get on the very edge, depending on, you know, where I'm going. I'm just going to work, so I'm keeping it simple. Like I said, for now, I'm going to just brush it down to see if laying it down with a scarf is going to change how flat it looks. These are my scarves. You can get them on my website. I am trying to avoid putting heat on it because I have an event tomorrow that I'm more than likely going to use heat on my real hair. So the key to avoiding heat damage is not repetitively using heat every time your leave out is not matching. You got to find alternative ways to wear your hair. And here we go. I think this is good enough for now. Like I said, if I was going to an event, I would possibly use a little bit of heat. But for now, we're going to keep it cute and keep it laid down and see if it lays my hair later on.